You must eat this prosperity happiness dish during CNY. Make this healthy and delicious steamed radish with minced meat for your CNY meal. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Radish, carrot, black fungus, mushrooms, spring onion and coriander, chicken fillet, slice radish, blanch radish until softened and set aside. Chopped mushroom, chopped black fungus, chopped carrot, chopped spring onion. Place onion green and onion white separately. Chopped coriander, chopped chicken into fine minced meat, add all ingredients. One tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Mix well. Mix with sesame oil and cornstarch. Place minced meat paste on radish slices. Put on plate and slightly fold as U-shape. Arrange nicely on steam plate. Arrange radish in this way. Steam with high flame for 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Steamed radish with minced meat is cooked. Looks so beautiful. Garnish with coriander and spring onion. Let's make this healthy dish to share with your family in the CNY. The white radish is sweet and not greasy at all when eaten together with the minced meat. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, ya. Radishes contain compounds and nutrients that have been proven to be helpful for conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, digestive disorders, and certain types of cancers. Furthermore, radishes are low in calories and fat and are high in water content and fiber. There are more delicious CNY recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.